Baba?
Tempe goreng.
Tempe goreng on your own. Okay, so you are mixing rice flour and tapioca flour at this moment. Okay, now it's about 150 gram each, yes, because the tempeh is only that amount. A pinch of salt. You can put this one as well if you like. Salt, pepper. And then we're supposed to use coriander powder, but because I use all coriander for making garam masala, you can take a little bit of garam masala over there. Underneath. Yeah, that one. So that's our garam masala. Just a little bit. Otherwise it won't be nice. And also if you want to have nice taste, you can chop or slice the leaves of kaffir lime leaves, the fragrant lime leaves, if you remember. I will get it for you. So you can have between 5 to 7 of kaffir lime leaves based on your taste, but I like if it is more because the taste will be much better. You have to wash it, and then you can wash it first, and then and then you can slice them and mix with the flour butter. So my husband hasn't put some water yet. Let's see. He's still washing the leaves of kaffir limes like this. It is very fragrant and smells beautiful. Okay, and don't forget 1 egg. Okay, and then you can make a butter using it. Yeah, I know. You don't have the garlic powder yet, right? So you can crush 1 or 2 garlic to make the taste better. Slightly difficult there. Okay. It's okay, Baba. It doesn't matter. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. All right. Mm-hmm. 1 egg.
Okay.
Oh, you put it there. Yeah. Crush 1 egg. Okay. And then chop coarsely chopped garlic. By the way, this is one of the favorite dish in Indonesia. And we really like tempe. In this way, actually it is tempe goreng or tempe mendoan. If it is not thoroughly cooked, just a half cooked, it is called as mendoan. But if it is truly cooked, it could be tempe goreng then. Do you like it, Baba?
Yeah, I do.
Careful. Okay. Water? Get some water. Not too much, not too much. Slowly. Okay, good. It's better than using hand.
No, bro.
It's better than using
I
hand.
really want to do this to my hand.
I know. You don't want
It's
to make
okay,
your
you'll
hand
be mixed
dirty.
it.
Yeah. See, it is a bit thin, Baba. But it's alright if you like thin, that's fine.
All sunflower, yeah?
Okay, so put more tapioca. Yeah, more tapioca. It will be crunchy soon. Yeah, the mixture. Either tapioca or rice flour. It's crunchy. However, if we mix them, it tastes better and crunchier.
Yeah.
You see, better? It doesn't matter if we got the excess, then we can use it for something else later.
Yeah.
Not a big deal. But make sure that it's not lumpy.
It's not lumpy.
Yeah, I could see that from here. It's not lumpy. Yeah. Ah, it's good, Baba. Yes, that's good. Go on.
The consistency is good, yeah?
Yeah. So it's nice, huh? See? Very nice. Told ya.
Yeah, with the olives, yeah.
Yeah, the lips is the...
Your oil?
Yeah. Look. Yeah, the consistency. Look at it. Yes. Okay, good. Because if it is too thick, it won't be nice. And also, don't forget the stove.
Yeah.
Sayangku is ready with some tempe inside the butter, and then he also is heating the oil, waiting for the oil to be ready for cooking, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you can put this somewhere else in the bin.
Okay. I'll put some else, yeah?
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much.
Happy?
Happy, yes. Of course happy. Okay, still not ready yet. I think it's better for you to use this one.
This one.
Ready? The new one.
For picking up, yeah?
Yeah, for picking up. That we use from that we bought from Manchester Superstore. $1.99.
Quite a long time ago, innit?
Long time ago. Nearly a year ago. But that one, just leave it for the charcoal. But I still use it now. It's okay. So don't mess up.
If you never have to cut more, yeah?
It doesn't matter, later we can edit more. Just do this one first. Because it's full then. Yeah, it's full. The butter and also this one.
It's not ready yet.
Nah, wait a sec. Still in the process. I think it's better for after it is being hot, then reduce the fire a bit.
Yeah.
So it won't be burning and still the thing will be cooked all out. Not ready. Do you get this one? Do you get this one?
I use it.
Careful. Also that one, the steamer, like, yeah. Okay. Yes. Just careful, it's full of oil.
You finish ready?
Yes. It's more than ready. Silent. Though it is still in the process, but it's still hot. Yeah, see? Good boy. See, the butter is very good. Careful. You can put more in the corner.
Yeah.
Find the space. Yeah. It's difficult.
Hard to pick it. Enough.
Enough, yeah. Okay, what you have to do is just wait until it is golden brown, and then you can flip-flop them.
Yeah.
And then again wait until they get brown, and then lift it, okay? You may have a look. Not yet?
Maybe.
Not yet.
Looks so crunchy.
Yeah, of course, double flour from different kind of flour, and both are crunchy. Oh,
See?
careful, careful,
It's
careful.
been ages we haven't it?
Absolutely. Since I couldn't have it before when I was too much allergic,
Yeah.
we just avoid anything from soy and peanuts. Now I'm better. I don't feel itchiness or allergic anymore, honestly.
Yeah.
Which is good, so I'm fine. Much better. Thank you.
Lot better.
Yeah. Calm down. You know what happened with the people around there in order to give the nice color? This one is a bit blunt, right?
Yeah.
It's a bit pale, white, like this, like this. Usually people either put some turmeric or they may put some color,
Yeah.
food color of course, the yellow one. And they hope that it will change the color better. Which they did.
No, when it's done, yeah, it goes
Yeah,
golden brown.
it is natural, I think.
It's not done yet, that's the reason.
Yeah. But in terms of the color
And
wise,
also the flour as well.
yeah. But the most important one is we can enjoy it. It is for us. So it's okay. So this is the savory one, yeah? The savory style.
Yeah.
Yeah, so don't mess up with banana fritters.
goreng.
Yeah, pisang goreng. Because pisang goreng is sweet. So you have to use either honey or sugar or cinnamon.
Done, yeah?
Not done yet. Takes time.
Not golden brown.
No, wait a sec. But keep in eye. You know, some people may make keripik tempe.
Yeah.
So the way how to slice this one, oops. The way how to slice this one should be thinner.
Yeah.
Like this, you have to divide it into two. And then the batter should be thinner as well. Otherwise, if it is too thick, it won't work.
That is for crop, I think.
Yeah, that is for keripik.
Repeat.
Oh, careful. Okay, one batch has just been done. It is done now. Okay, the first batch. Now the second batch. Ready? A bit closer there, Baba. A bit closer. Yeah. Ooh, it's very hot. Temperature is very hot here.
Yapılacağım.
It's okay.
Öyle değil.
Yeah, you do. One more, I think. In the middle. Or in the corner, it's up to you. In the middle. Oh, in the corner. It is pushed up. It's okay.